What do you do when you get home from school? Did you know that spending too much time on screens, like TVs, phones, and tablets, is actually bad for your brain? It is! It's like eating way too much Halloween candy. Oh, now I feel sick.
Do you want to feel happy and healthy? If so, you should limit the amount of time you sit and watch TV or play on the computer. Studies show that kids who spend more than 2 hours a day watching television gain more weight. Think about it. When you're sitting and staring at a screen, your body isn't moving and getting stronger. Another way screen time affects your body is by making it harder for you to sleep. Think about the last time you woke up really tired. Maybe it's because you were on your computer all night. Your brain has this amazing ability to tell you when it's time to be awake and alert or when it's time to go to sleep. Watching screens too much tricks your body into thinking it needs to stay awake. So you don't get the restful sleep your body needs to be active and healthy. How do you think people feel after sitting around, watching TV all day, and not sleeping enough? The answer is not very good. Depression, irritability, and anxiety are all results of too much screen time. These negative emotions affect your performance in school and can hurt your relationships with your family and friends. Staring at screens also makes our brains less able to recognize the facial expression of others. Like when someone's happy. Or like when someone's scared. Using too much technology can leave you feeling sad and misunderstood. But you said you wanted to be happy and healthy, right?
So how much screen time is okay? Babies and toddlers really shouldn't be watching any TV at all, but for most kids, 1 hour a day is enough. And yes, even reading and math apps count as screen time. We're not asking you to do it alone. Who can you turn to for help? Ask your family members, teachers, or even a friend.
Speaking of family and friends, what are some alternative activities that you could do with them? Some examples of things to do are go to the park, read a new book, play a card game, or go for a bike ride, play dress up, cook a meal with your family, or even grow something in your garden. See, the possibilities are endless, and you get to decide. What healthy choice are you going to make today?
Created using PowToon.